Um, Hello, good day. So welcome again to my video tutorial. So last video that I uploaded, we demoed the different types of tablet table. So this time I enhanced my script. Then this time I generated on DataGrid view, and then once they generate on DataGrid view on terminal, so they will automatically generate also uh, HTML table for the data. Okay, so this is the data I use. So sample data from Adventure Words. So this Adventure Words, yeah, Adventure Words. So this I pull out from the SQL Server. So let's go to SQL Server. Okay, this one, Adventure Words DW. So you can download that on the um, MS Microsoft website. Then so I pick up some customer table. So this one. So I import as CSV. So top 50. Okay. So this is the data. Then this data will be viewed as view as DataGrid view. And then after that, once the script run is viewed as DataGrid view, then the second it will create an automated HTML table as table data presentation, update or data visualizations or presentation of the data of the data. So it will generate HTML table all the data. So this the script. So I created. I use table bootstrap for that. So yeah, we can walk on out to the script. So, close now. So this is a script. So this is the changes I made. You can see. Updated data grid, replace element in this data dictionary for CB. Use only capacity grid or then add index for data grid view. Generate XML output at data grid and bootstrap table. So the way that I use the library is from install first the tabulate, then I call it to the as import library. Then I use some different three temp files. So this is the raw generated raw for the tabulate generator. Then for dump, so it will be trimming. Then second file, it will be generate um, clean all the unnecessary tags. Then it will be generated as DataGrid report. Okay. Then there are two functions that I have is DataGrid view, parameter CSV file view, which is going to input file or input parameter. This one. So CSV file, CSV view. So these are user defined parameter as default value for this function. So I open the file, read the CSV reader, then I plotted as tabulate the data. So I consider the data as list. So if you in last video I considered as element, so it will not applicable. So it will be have a exceptions rendered. It will have a compiled exception. So the script will be very complex to compile because it will be invalid list as variable. So the only way we will to avoid that, it will be we will create as list data list So it will be considered as row by row, because before previously I create before in a array container, so it will be immediately dumped directly to the variable, then it will be considered as content of the CSV. So I realized that it will be easier way to that. So I simplified as this. So row by row. So there are two types of grid table that I use. Fancy grid, which is the linear table. It's much better table presentation of the table. Then HTML, but will be table format generated to HTML code. So yeah. Then after that, I create also show index. It will be automatic index as primary index. Then automated. This will be auto-generated index. Then once the tabulate processing, it will open a raw file. It will be create a raw file. So it means raw file are this one, raw grid report attachment. Then before it will create HTML file, it will create header. This header I use term the default API for Bootstrap. So I use Bootstrap. So yeah, jQuery for the enhancement and enable presentations, much eye-catching table presentations through HTML. So I add so 3 APIs: jQuery, Bootstrap, then CSS Bootstrap. Yeah, very easy. Then I'll not say very easy, but if you understand, it's very easy. If you not understand, mind your own business. Then table class equal table. So this will be the class for table, a divider. It will come from the Bootstrap. Okay. So web page is clear as web page. This web page is my user as a custom defined as the alias of the raw file. Okay. If you watch my previous video, you understand what I'm saying. Okay. Web page, right lines. It will be right, like I said, the layout before the HTML, before the tablet, write the HTML code, write the HTML table. Then after that, the HTML file. So it will write the tablet. So first, it will write the header the HTML tag called the jQuery, Bootstrap CSS, and Bootstraps. Okay. Then the header format. It will I declare as one string. Then it will be initialize and write line to the top. First, the very first step. Then it will generate the HTML file, the HTML code for table. Okay. If not, it will be what not found. Exception. If this is not compiled, it will be have an error. Then it will be an error occur. Okay. Invalid tag. So I trimming all the invalid tags, invalid character. Then so invalid table. This table class will be backside on tablet. So the remedy that I create is remove after generation HTML file generation. It will remove by replace function. So replace function. Yeah. So it will remove then it write again to a file. Okay. Then type name addition. Once the process all done, it will delete all the temp file. Okay. I run now. The run that I executing now is the same that execution that I demo last video. Python py compiler needed py. Then enter the raw file that we use, test file. So, see, you generate a DataGrid report with current date, that's ML. Then this is the actual DataGrid. So, yeah, this one. You can do this with in DataGrid view, but when you check the HTML generated file, it's very clean. Okay. So this is the DataGrid view. This one is about portability. So this is the DataGrid view. This fancy rate. This is the actual data. I mean, I did not say this is actual data. This is a dummy data from SRAP. So this is a sample data only for SQL Server. Then this is actual presentation of DataGrid in DataGrid view. Then after that, go to the directory, in the Python environment. Then click this one. This is the generated. You got the same, right? 11, 29, 17, 56, 03. Okay? Click now. Okay, this is finished product. See? Okay? This is the actual presentation of the table. From CSV, once we execute the script, it will process by DataGrid view. Then it will generate at the same time an HTML report with a data presentation, a well-presented presentation by HTML table through Bootstrap. So I use Bootstrap API for the format of the table to become presentable. Anyway, so that's all. So if you have questions, just email me in jpam205@gmail.com. Okay. So this is a final view. Okay. So, okay. One more time. So I let you view my code as your reference. Fast pace. Okay. Now, if you have questions, just email me in jpan25@hotmail.com, jpan25@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a nice day, and happy Thanksgiving and happy holiday to all. Thank you. Good day.